Joe, let me start with you. What is a cybersecurity issue that concerns you the most? And can you give us a couple of examples?
The biggest problem is really that, number one, control system cyber is simply not being addressed by the senior executives. And if it isn't addressed from the top, it isn't going to happen. It's not going to flow downward. That's the big problem. The secondary problem, which is technical, is these systems were never designed to be secure. But these systems are also been designed with features that make them very vulnerable, and you cannot close those vulnerabilities off. So we're in this position that the key to operating the entire commercial, industrial, manufacturing, and defense transportation infrastructure is based on systems that cannot be fully secure.
Mark, do you share Joe's concerns?
I do. In fact, I don't disagree with anything Joe just said. We still have a lack of acknowledgement at the executive levels of most organizations that security is a problem. You can ask any CEO in the country today if cyber is a priority for their companies, and they will all say yes. But when you pull back the covers and you look at the resources that are being devoted to cybersecurity, it tells a different story. So that's where I agree 100% with Joe. But is that our number one problem? I think the biggest challenge I see, and it's something that we've been talking about for a couple of decades, and it is supply chain. You know, we are instrumenting and outfitting our critical infrastructures in the nation with technologies that we truly don't understand the provenance of. I think you could go to any company in the nation today and ask them who they're buying their products from, and they will give you very good and reasonable answers for who their tier one suppliers are. But if you ask them where their tier one suppliers are being supplied from, their tier two, tier three, tier four, tier five suppliers, they have no idea. And that is it's a huge gap in our critical infrastructure in the nation today.